Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a closer look at an authentic, American-made percussion long rifle. This rifle is a 36 caliber model, which would typically be loaded with a 30 to 40 grade charge of black powder and a 36 caliber patch lead ball. Back in the day, rifles of this caliber were sufficient for taking everything from small to medium-sized game, or used for self-defense if necessary. I don't know about you, but muzzle-loading rifles like this have always held a great deal of fascination for me. I have several muzzle-loading rifles in my collection that I occasionally shoot, and they're all modern reproductions. To be clear, this rifle is not a reproduction. The lock is engraved H. Elwell warranted, which indicates that it was made somewhere between 1830 and 1840. If you do the math, this rifle is approaching the 2 centuries old mark, and it's still in shootable condition, which is pretty remarkable for a firearm made in that era. From time to time, you'll see one of these H. Elwell rifles listed for sale on one of the firearm collectors' auction sites. The asking price will likely cause some people to wince a little bit. Most are pretty straightforward flintlock and percussion rifles with few embellishments. This one, on the other hand, is nicely decorated with a number of brass and ivory inlays. This leads me to believe that a previous owner added them himself. Undoubtedly, that person has long since been lost to history. But if he were still around, I'd love to congratulate him on his workmanship. The finish on this rifle is all original, as is the brown patina on the barrel. Granted, some of the browning is blanched a bit over time, but most would agree that it's totally acceptable for a 190-year-old plus rifle. Historically, this is the style of rifle that one would have seen had they been at the Battle of the Alamo in 1836. Many of the 189 Texans defending the mission were armed with similar rifles. General Santa Anna led his 3,000 Mexican troops to San Antonio to put down their demands for an independent nation free from Mexican rule. The battle that ensued is, of course, history. All of the Alamo's defenders were eventually killed. Nevertheless, for me, the amazing part is that 189 defenders using weapons like this managed to hold off a well-equipped army of 3,000 for 13 days. Yes, indeed. The world has changed considerably since this rifle was manufactured. Keep in mind that America itself was less than 55 years old at the time. Generation of people have since come and gone, yet this rifle remains. Due to its age, the proper thing to do now is retire it to a place of honor above the mantelpiece. You know, something to look at while pondering its long history of use. A nice conversation piece, so to speak. It's probably a safe bet to say that this rifle will still be around long after all of us are gone as well. That aside, I hope you enjoyed this topic. Let me know in the comments section below if you'd like to see more black powder related videos. Even a simple thumbs up helps me to gauge the amount of interest viewers actually have on certain topics. Until next time, practice often, shoot straight, and thanks for stopping by.